Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the BurnJaro pink salt. So as you can see, if you don't know what this is, it is basically a salt or a capsule that will help you burn fat, as you can see from the pictures right here. And we have it here on Amazon. So as you can see, they're rated 1.4 out of 5 stars with 7 ratings, which is a red flag right there to begin with. So as you can see about this item, they only have keto formula, natural BurnJaro keto formula, BurnJaro reviews, and they don't have anything to go into detail with. So let's see the reviews right here. As you can see, the reviews are not good. As you can see, not good. Ignore this product. Don't waste your money. Read the ingredients. Scam. Does not work, and a lot more. And as you can see, it is basically just a supplement that they claim will help you burn fat, which is impossible. Basically, for people that they claim that work, those are people who would do regular exercise and do proper diet, which is more effective than taking this supplement altogether, since this supplement is a scam in itself. So please do not buy this product in the hopes of burning fat easily. It's not like a miracle product. There are a lot of products like these which claim to burn fat. The so-called miracle products are too good to be true and should not be trusted, and you should do some research before buying them. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.